Hi guys! Welcome to Kitchen Challenge! So, ayan, magluluto tayo ngayon dahil this is my birthday. So, we're cooking three sauces for my carbonara pesto sauce. So, let's start. So, I boiled water here. So, I'll put this one. Our pasta. Putting this one. And Arabella. Then, of course, we'll add some oil. Then, of course, we'll add some salt. So, we'll let this cook, guys. Let this boil, soften a bit. Let's start with our sauce. So, for our sauce, we'll use butter. This one. Then, put some garlic. Then, onions. Mushrooms. This one, I use three fresh organics, which is garlic, onion, and mushroom. Then for our meat, I'll be using three ingredients. So we can put now our meat. So here's our tuna guys. And we're putting some meat also, ham. And then our secret ingredient, longganisa. Wow, smelling good. So we need the pasta to be al dente, guys. So look at this. A little more cooking. So we'll brown this first, guys, before we add the three sauces we're gonna use. We'll cook this evenly first. So I think we're ready to put the three sauces. So we'll start with this one, carbonara style by Del Monte. The other one would be this one by Clara Olay. This is the pesto sauce, guys. So Then the third one would be this one, bechamel sauce, white sauce. This one is sweeter in type of sauce. I want to put some sweetness on my sauce. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Creamy. So we'll let this simmer for a while. Then we'll add additional milk cream or cream. This one. We're gonna add this one, guys. So I'm putting this together. Love it. So look at the color, guys. Look. Can you see? Yummy. So on low heat, we're still gonna let it simmer again. So I think the pasta is ready to be added on the sauce, but a little bit more boiling. So what's the challenge here, guys? So I'm putting 3 different ingredients, flavors on this one. 3 raw ingredients, 3 sauces. Then the other 3 is 3 cheeses. So I'll put that one here when this one is ready. Look at that. Meaty, then herby. So I think we're ready to put the cheeses. So we're gonna put this one, Parmesan cheese. So we'll add some saltiness on this one, guys. So another one would be this one. So cream cheese. So hard to open. So we'll add just, I think, a tablespoonful just for the sourness of the cream cheese. Ooh. Look at that. Smelling good. So what's the third one? Third cheese we're putting is this one. This one, cheddar cheese. So I'm cooking this one because I love Italian food. So most of Italian dishes uses a lot of cheese, different kinds of cheese. Also they're using a lot of different kinds of oil, but for now I'm not using olive oil. Olive oil is better to use than cooking than vegetable oil or other other oil like canola, because this one, the olive oil is tasty. It will give a little different taste on the pasta sauce. So I think you have to mix it up so it won't get burned. So we're ready to taste this one, guys. Mmm. 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 Different flavors. Mmm. Mmm. Very good. Very nice taste. The pesto, it's not overpowering. But the cheese is so good. I think we're ready to add our pasta. Here, I'm gonna put this one. Wow, look at that. Wow, yummy, yummy. So that's it, guys. Too easy to prepare and to cook. Look at that. Too saucy. Very saucy, guys. So, another thing, maybe we'll be putting some spices, 3 spices also, to add some taste. We'll put a little bit of celery powder. Celery powder, guys. Just a little bit. Yeah, to add some taste on our pasta. Vegetable taste on our pasta. Another thing we're gonna add is this one, of course, black pepper, grounded fine. So we're gonna put also this cute spoon. So I think we're done. The other one, the third one, is salt. So I think we add just a little bit salt here. Okay, so salt. So that's it. This one is ready for serving, guys. Love it. Mmm. The smell, so smelling good. So wanna gonna plate this one, guys. I think we have to taste it first again, just to make it sure it's cooked well. So this is it. Hope it tastes good. Too creamy. Very nice while it's hot. So yummy. Well, I think this one good to serve 8 to 10 persons with this 1 kilo of pasta. So nice. I think they're gonna love this one. Hi guys, welcome back. So we're gonna plate this one and using this cute pan holder. So this one, look at that, sir. So we're gonna serve this one on this plate. So look at that. Still steaming, guys. Look. You can sell this one also. Look at that. Wow. So that's it. So we're ready to taste this one, guys. Look at that. Mm. Look. Mm. Mm. So good. You must try this recipe. This is my original recipe, guys. Mm. I've tried pesto sauce, but it's too oily. That's why I removed the oil from the pesto, from the herb. Then add some carbonara sauce and SL cream, so it would balance out. Mm. So good. I can eat it all day. This special day. Mm. Very good. The tuna, it matches the nestle cream. Then you can um, feel a lot of texture on this pasta. Mm. With the smooth, soft mushroom, then the roughness of the meat from the longanisa, smoked meat or processed meat, then the savory of the fish, the flakiness. So good. Let's try this one. Then the combination of three sauces, the best. So good. Mm. Mm. And also, of course, this one, it's not good without the cheeses. So the parmesan, it gives a kick, the saltiness in the pasta. Then the sour cream gives you a little bit of sourness, but not too sour. Then the cheddar cheese, it gives you the flavor, the original flavor of cheese. Mm. Done. Hope you like it. So please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Happy birthday to me.